Hey guys, everyone is here, and in today's video, we are going to discuss that what you can do to hit $10,000 per month. If you are just starting out and want to make some good amount of money, this video is for you. So same as before, we are going to take a look on our daily revenue numbers, and then from there we will see that what are the methods that even personally I have to follow if I am starting from zero. Then what kind of things I will be doing to hit $10,000 plus per month. Okay, so let's move on to the screen. And let's have a look on today's revenue number, and from there we will move on to our main topic. Our today's revenue is $503, and that's split into, we made 195 from ad sites, we made 230 from gas posts, and $78 came from Amazon affiliate. Here we have a look. Making $10,000 per month is super easy if you go all in. Like, you have to put some serious focus and then some serious working hours, and you will be easily able to hit. But the perfect roadmap is also required. So here's personally what I would do if I ever go to zero and then just have to start out. As you guys know that SEO is something that I really love. So I would definitely go with the first option. The first option here in this list is gas post, because this is basically what I do on a very large scale, and this is basically what I really love doing, and would definitely recommend anyone to start this who is just starting out. You can literally hit $10,000 per month very easily by just selling gas posts. When it comes to gas posts, never ever take this method or this way as a light or a short or a simple way. You can literally go up to like $50,000 plus per month with this method. It is super effective, super easy to start and to scale, but then definitely you need some serious efforts to do this. The first thing that I will be doing is I will sell other people's gas posts, because their sites, they already on the sites, they already sell their gas posts. What I will be doing is simply have a deal with them, negotiate a price, and then I will sell by adding my margins. And I am going to show you live example in a couple of minutes. And the second best method that I will follow is I will like create expired domains and then sell gas posts on that. The entire process is explained in my previous videos. The third way, in this approach I will doing is sell my own sites plus other people's sites gas post on gas post selling platforms, because this is something that very few people are doing. And if you will be able to get to this point, you can easily make some serious money. And the best thing that is just dominating right now is selling listicles. Sell listicles on your own site, sell listicles on the sites that you are like a reseller of. So you can literally easily make 10 plus by following these methods. So here, if I can quickly show you an example, if you have watched my previous videos, then I have given an example of this site, Urban Splatter. You can reach out to this, you can reach out to any reseller, and you will literally get $20 around gas post price, or $20 or $30 gas post price for this site. But if you go on gas post selling platforms, this is basically a gas post selling platform, gaspostnow.com. And if you look here, urbanplatters.com is being sold for $139. And if you have a look on this person profile, this person has already listed 142 websites. That means this person definitely, he is not going to own all of these websites. Might be few of them are his own sites, but majority of them will be the sites that he is reselling here for very, very high margin. This is extremely high price. Even if you sell a site like this for $50 or $60 on the gas post selling platforms, still you can make some good amount of money. But this is extreme overpriced. And just imagine this, he is going to simply receive an order from here. He will just reach out, or already have a contact with the site owner. He is going to send them an article. They are going to publish and share URL with him. He is simply going to hand over a URL to the client, and then going to keep them very big margin. And you can do the same thing as well. Okay, so the second best way The second thing that I am personally going to follow if I ever have to reach $10,000 per month is rank in AI space agency, a dedicated agency that you can have, in which you are going to offer dedicated searches to rank in AI results. It is super easy right now and super effective, and everyone is just looking for a dedicated agency to get ranking. You can offer rank general keywords in LLM searches. You can offer e-commerce ranking keywords and brands ranking in LLMs, and you can offer like local businesses to rank in LLMs. This is one of the most effective way. If you offer this in your agency, you are definitely going to get some serious clients. If you do if you do search on ChatGPT ranking service, you are going to see a lot of sites, and the best thing is here you can have a look. AEO agency, aeagency.us, like they are literally targeting the exact keywords. Like this site is definitely be ranking for, this agency definitely be ranking for a number of keywords, and they are targeting directly just only US clients. So you can do the exact same thing. Here you can have a chatrank.ai, and if you go on their sites, you can literally have a look on what kind of pricing they are offering and what kind of services they are offering, and they are charging like crazy money for the things that I have already showed you in my previous videos, that how you can rank here, how you can rank in ChatGPT. I have explained the entire process, the entire strategy in my previous videos that you can utilize to rank in ChatGPT, and definitely you are going to see some results. So you can create a dedicated agency and start offering your services on these on your agency like site. So this is the second. And the third thing is, this is basically not my type of thing. I don't do app development, but this is one of the best thing that if I am not into SEO space and not doing SEO, I will definitely go to this way and will learn the app development. And it's super easy right now with AI. You can literally like create app within 5 to 6 days with AI tools. That should be like just, that will be just print hell amount of money for you. Here I am including a guide from a person. I most of the time I read these guides, even though I am not doing app development or anything like that, but I love reading and love exploring other methods as well. This person, you should must read this. You should must read this guide and should follow this person on the Twitter. He is literally sharing some super effective guides about how you can build apps, how you can scale them, and will sometimes share real live examples of the apps that are doing some crazy money. And those apps are very easy to build, very easy to replicate, and very easy to scale. I will highly recommend that you should must read this entire guide, in which he is going to explain you the entire process about how he made some like some hell amount of money by building apps, and what is his process, how he scale apps, how he sell them, how he scale them to next level, how you can utilize video strategies, TikTok strategies, and all that kind of things in this guide. And you can go to his like X profile and can have a look on a lot of other examples, live examples that he is sharing on daily basis. So this will be my third method that I will follow to scale my income to $10,000 plus per month. And the most important thing that you should have in mind, and these, none of these method is going to work if you don't actually try, if you not go all in. All in I means is that you should choose one specific thing and then keep working on that specific thing for 6+ months without looking into anything else. If you keep get yourself distracting like from one thing to another, from AI agency to gas post to app development, and keep switching your keep switching the things like the ways of making money, then definitely you're not going to reach anywhere. But if you pick any of the method, any of the way that I have shared in this video, and stick to that for at least 6+ months, then definitely you are going to see some good amount of results. And definitely you have to put some serious work in that, like 10 hours, 10 plus hours, 15 plus hours minimum in a single day. And then definitely you are going to see the results, because the examples I have shared from Yes Post to Rank in AI Space Agency to apps development, all these examples are real. I am doing it. A lot of other people are doing it practically, and they are sharing examples and the process on daily basis. So you just have to pick one thing, follow it, and then go make your income like $10,000+ per month. So hopefully this video will be helpful. If it is helpful, don't forget to share your feedback in comment sections, and we'll see you in the next video. Until that, bye bye.